Okay, I'm actually going to cheat with this one. I got this little jar on eBay and I like the shape of this. This is originally a Nutella glass. So I made a mold of this and I'm going to take some white clay here. I roll it into a tiny ball and then just drop it down using a dotting tool to fill it into the cap. If it's too little, then put a little more in there. Here you can see it's having the shape of the cap, and I'm going to bake it. So this has been baking now, so I'm going to take my UV resin and I'm going to put a few drops of that in there. Make sure it's nice and even on the bottom. And then I'm going to put it into my UV light for 2 minutes. I decide for an orange marmalade, so I take a few of my orange slices and I'm going to cut them up in small pieces. Then I'm going to take some more of my resin and put it into a little container. And I'm going to take, hopefully, some yellow coloring. Yeah, that was yellow. I like this color. And you can put a tiny bit of red in there if you want it to be a little more orangey. Not too much. Then I take my mold again and I take all these pieces and put them into my resin. And I'm going to mix it really good, and then I'm going to put it into this little mold, and then I'm going to put it under the UV light for 5-10 minutes. So it have been in the UV light and I'm going to pop it out of the mold. Whoops. And here I have the done result. And that's all there is to this little craft. If you think this is too dull looking, then glaze it, and that's all there is to it. I hope you like this video and happy crafting.